Hey ladies, what is up? We are in full swing of spring. Yes, we are. And our lovely friends over at wish.com sent up a few things for us to try on and to just see how can we incorporate it into our spring wardrobe. So I was able to pick out 4 pieces from the website, and I said, you know what, let's just see what we can do. I did get everything pretty much in a large because I did not know, and lo and behold, everything fit. So first up is this cute little ribbed blue maxi, well, not really maxi, I would say midi, kind of off the shoulder a little bit. I'll have something here for you to take a peek at to see how it fits me. When I first looked at it, I said, oh my god, it's going to be too big. It doesn't have any shape. But as you guys can see, it doesn't really have any shape to it. It's kind of like this up and down. But once I put it on and got my body into it, it definitely filled out. It definitely was nice. It wasn't too tight. It wasn't too, it was like a perfect fit. Now, is it on the thinner side? Yes, it is. Be mindful of any shapewear that you wear with it. I did not have on any shapewear with this. So just imagine if I did have on some shapewear, it'll be nice and smooth. And then when you have on shapewear, you kind of want to do that nice little sucking motion. So this would be really, really cute. You could wear this around the house. If you just run a couple of errands, that's exactly what this number is for. Next up, this is a nice cover up. Now, if you're on the beach, you're poolside at your resort, or even if, you are poolside at your home. If you have a pool in your community or in your backyard, this is what you need. I had this in a medium. Like I said, I have this in a medium. This here is super sheer. Let me just kind of give you a little look at what it's doing. It's very long, and I would have loved to take this with me when I went to Cancun, because this would have been perfect, because when you're at a resort, some of the resorts, because I know one, I don't remember doing this, but I could not go into like the buffet area with just my bathing suit on. They wanted you to have on a cover up, and which I understand. You can be running with all your stuff just shaking around. They want you to cover up. So this would have been perfect. But guess what? I will get some good use out of this soon, because I will have my birthday trip. So I'm excited about taking this on my birthday trip, so I can have this as a cover up when I'm just walking around the resort or just walking around in general. It's really, 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 really sheer. So this is nothing that you can wear like out and about, like to the grocery store or nothing like this. This is super sheer. It's a really, really like thin linen somewhat, if you will, cottony. So really, really nice, really, really soft, and really, really breathable. So that's exactly what we like. Next up, this number, I want to break it up a little bit. I got this. I said, you know what, this would be really cute for those like, cool nights, where you really don't want to do too much, just want to put on something really, really cute. And I picked this up. Now, I've been seeing this little print around, and I said, you know what, when I saw it on the site, I said, you know what, Kelly, you gotta get it, you gotta get it. And I didn't want to get black, because I always wear like black or anything on the darker side. So I said, you know what, I didn't want to get white, but I said, let me try this nice like cocoa color. So I got this, and y'all, this is super cute. It comes with a hood. Again, those nice cool nights like me, I can sit on my patio and late night having a little cocktail. This is super cute. It has like long sleeves, covers the hand a little bit, and it just goes down. It just goes down to the ankle. Really, really nice, really, really form fitting. And this one is, but yes, really, really nice summer nights outfit to put on. I love a good one-piece number. If it's a pants set, like, or a 2-piece, or just like an all-in-one. I love a good simple outfit, because I don't think fashion should be complicated, in my opinion. And it should be affordable too. Last but not least, I'm going to show you this outfit right here. This is the outfit that I purchased, and this is how I look at it. Now, my boobs are definitely on the larger side when it comes to this particular outfit. I believe I did get this in a large, because I was definitely on the fence about, I'm looking for the tag. I think I got this in a large. I did. I got it in a large, and I was nervous about my boob area. Now, my boobs are definitely too big for the vest, but the vest did fit me. I'm going to have to wear more like maybe a bandeau underneath it just to kind of keep everything at bay. The pants fit me perfect. They're elastic waist, as you can see right here. I like the outfit. I'm going to have to do a little tweaking to it. And I'm definitely going to, if I can't find me a nice white bandeau, I might do like maybe a pastel color underneath or something more on the brownie bronzy side because of the gold buttons. Nevertheless, nice outfit for the price point. Can you definitely make this look more than what it is? Absolutely. And I definitely will in later videos to come, because this is, I like it. I like it. Let me know if you've ever thought about shopping on wish.com. Have you shopped on wish.com? And just give me your thoughts and opinions. I'll leave all these links down below so you can kind of like check them out, see if you want to, try them out and all the things. And I want to say thank you to wish.com for sponsoring this video. Ladies, we got some little gold mine over here.